Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the process of boarding a flight during lockdown. So let's start and let me show you the whole process. Please watch the video till end to know the full process. This is a raw video, so please ignore if the quality is not good. I tried to show you the best from my end. Hope this process would be helpful for you if you are traveling in this lockdown period. This is the queue in which you have to wait for your turn for your screening and temperature checkup. Everyone has to maintain social distancing. The airport is maintaining proper social distancing. You can see. You are supposed to bring your boarding pass along with you, take a printout and come, or else you can put it in your cell phone. If you have it in your cell phone, you can go in the counter and take the boarding pass. And you need to affix your baggage tag on your bag like this. Everyone has to affix this because these people are not going to give you the baggage tag. And apart from that, you need to have Arogya Setu app. If you are traveling to Karnataka, then you must have registered to the Seva Sindhu, and you have to show the registration number. And let's see what else these people are demanding, and accordingly I will update. You can see everywhere they have put the patches, social distancing maintained, the seats have been crossed, so no one is allowed to sit on those seats. Then the visitors are allowed, but they also have to maintain the social distancing. You can see the other lane. After that, people are standing. Those people are visitors. As I said, you need to have your boarding pass printed. This is my boarding pass. I'm traveling to Bengaluru. My flight is at 8:05, and so accordingly we have to reach 2 hours earlier to the departure of flight. So accordingly you can see everywhere social distancing is being maintained and people are maintaining it properly. This is the queue for boarding pass. If you are not coming along with boarding pass, then you have to stand in a line, take a printout from these airlines, and then only you can proceed ahead. So it's better you take a printout of your boarding pass and then only come to the airport. See, the sanitization is being done to all the baggage and the hand baggage, everything is being sanitized. And the next process is temperature check. You can see the lady standing in the cabin. She will do temperature check of each and everyone who is going to travel. To put your boarding pass, your photograph will be taken and your ID card photograph will be taken. After that, it's fine with the screening. You need to move ahead for your baggage counter and you need to check your baggage first. After that, you need to go to your counter that I will show you right now. That has to be done. Now you have to move to the baggage counter and your baggage will be checked. This is the baggage screening counter. As you can see, it's written over there, X-Ray Air Asia baggage screening. So once my baggage will be checked, I will move ahead for the process. While going for the screening purpose, they have a clear instruction written over there that you need to remove your face mask. After that, you need to show your boarding pass. After that, you need to show your ID card. So everything is clearly written over there, nothing to worry. But the only thing is, if you are traveling to Karnataka, you must have registered yourself in the Seva Sindhu app. That is mandatory. So whoever is planning to travel to Karnataka must have registered themselves to Seva Sindhu app. Apart from that, you people are already aware that you must have a Arogya Setu app in your mobile phone and it should show a green signal. If it shows a red signal, then you are not allowed to travel in the train. So you need to check this before coming to the airport, that you are staying in a non-contaminated zone and it should be of green color. Then only you will be permitted to enter inside the airport. People are wearing gloves, as you can see ahead also, and myself also. Other people are also wearing gloves. So it's better to wear your protective equipment like face mask, gloves, and keep sanitizer along with you. So these things have to be kept in mind while you are traveling. This is for your protection only. So better to follow these things. This is the PPE kit. Once your baggage is taken in, they will give you this PPE kit. I guess this contains face mask and the face shield. Apart from that, few other documents are there. I will show you right now once I do the security check-in. Now I am moving towards the security check-in. Again, here also you need to follow the social distancing guidelines. You will get the face shield, face mask and sanitizer in the PPE kit. So now my flight is ready to take off, and due to some reasons I was not allowed to shoot the security check-in process, but I will tell you it's the same process like earlier. The only thing which has changed is again you have to stand in front of the camera, show your boarding pass, your ID proof and your face for identification. After that the same process will be followed like earlier. Your hand baggage will be scanned, your full body will be scanned through a metal detector, and next you can move ahead for boarding your flight. Before boarding the flight, you need to scan the barcode given in your boarding pass. This scanning of barcode has to be done by yourself. The people of the airline standing over there will help you out in scanning your barcode. Once your barcode has been scanned, again your temperature will be checked and you will be allowed to enter inside the flight. And a few things to be kept in mind after entering the flight is you have to wear your PPEs every time. You cannot remove them. You have to wear your face mask, you have to wear your face shield every time. The other thing is you will not be served any kind of food inside the flight. If your flight is too long and if you want to eat something, you need to bring it from your home. You can bring dry fruits or dry items which you can eat, but it's better suggested not to eat inside the flight because you have to wear your face mask and face shield every time. And if you want some water, then you can ask the flight people, or it's better if you can carry your own water. The other thing you must be aware that each state has their own rules and regulations for traveling. So please check the process to be followed in the state in which you are traveling. Like if anyone is traveling or leaving from Karnataka, they must have to register themselves in Seva Sindhu portal or Government of Karnataka website, which I have also done. There are different rules for quarantine in all states, like home quarantine, institutional quarantine, depending from state to state. So you must be aware about this before traveling to the destination state. Once I reach to my destination, I will show you the process followed over there in my next video. So hope this video would be helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any thing to ask, please use the comment box. I will try to answer all your questions. And please share this video with your friends who are planning to travel, because this may be of great help for them. Thank you for watching the video. And again I would like to request, if you have any questions or any queries, you can ask in the comment section. In the last, I am leaving you over the aerial view of Ranchi city. Hope you enjoy the aerial view of the Ranchi city, and thank you once again for watching the video. Thank you.